Hello everyone, I'm Suparna Banerjee from Magical Healing Art. Welcome to the Blogoin Day 3. Today I am bringing a spell for business, and actually this is the business communication. Okay, so for this what do you need actually? You only need a crystal that's called carnelian. Okay, this is very good for business prosperity and for communication also. Okay, so what you have to do, this is a very simple spell. Okay, uh, this is a very simple spell. What you have to do, first you have to take this carnelian. Okay, you have to take the candle. Okay, and just clean the carnelian like this, and you need over here the benzoin incense. Okay, I'm just keeping over here the incense. Actually benzoin incense is for mercury. Okay, and this is mercury is good for communication. Okay, so I am calling to mercury and archangel Gabriel. Okay, so when you are taking this one, okay, and just do it on top of the smoke like this. Okay, and you also need a pouch. Okay, I have taken like this. Okay, you can just make a potli also, and you should with that you should actually keep a string. Okay, but over here I am taking this pouch, so I am not using that. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just hold this and keep it in your hand, and you have to pray to the Mercury and Archangel Gabriel. Okay, for your good communication when you are going for meeting or mostly meeting. Okay, for business. Okay, so in before going, one day before actually you have to do this spell. Okay, okay, now you have to hold this like this and pray to the Mercury and Archangel Gabriel that please stay with me when I'll be going for business communication business meeting. Okay, and my communication will be proper in that place. Okay, and like that, whatever in your mind you can tell like that, and then you have to just do. You can charge it. Okay, you can charge this one and keep it in the pouch. Okay, like this, and you have to put 3 knots over here. I'm every time putting 3 knots. Okay, this is a very simple spell. So this is a very simple spell. Whenever you are going for business meeting, before that, one day back, you do this one, and then you have to keep it under your pillow. Okay, for one day. Okay, that's why I'm trying to tell that one day before you have to do this one. And then whenever you are going, you should take it in your pocket. Okay, it should be with you whenever you are in meeting. It should be with you in your hand. You cannot do in your hand. Okay, you cannot keep in your hand. You should keep it in your pocket, or you should keep this one on the table where you are sitting. Okay, you have to keep it like that. Okay, and pray to, and that time also you pray to the god, Archangel Gabriel and Mercury to help you. Okay, this is the very good spell. You try it. Okay, and write in the comment then how it actually happened to you. Okay, and Okay, then I will bring again another spell or something else. So until then, no, before going, no, you should just subscribe my channel, give me like and thumbs up, and then you can get new spells, and whatever I am bringing, you can get it. Okay, so please stay with me. Okay, then see you. Bye.